Lara stood at the departure terminal of Chennai International Airport, a bundle of nerves mixed with excitement. She was embarking on a 6-month solo journey across Europe, a dream she'd harbored since her college days. As she checked in her luggage, her eyes caught sight of an elderly couple struggling with their bags. The gentleman, clearly weary, was trying to rearrange the contents to meet the weight requirements. Moved by their predicament, Lara approached them, offering her help. "May I assist you with that?" she asked with a gentle smile. The couple gratefully accepted her help, and as they chatted, Lara learned they were traveling to visit their son in Sweden. It was their first trip abroad, and they were both anxious about the long flight and the layovers. Sharing her own experiences and tips for managing long flights, Lara helped ease their nerves. Their boarding call was announced, and they walked to their gate together, the couple more relaxed and chatting animatedly about what they hoped to see in Sweden. As they reached the gate, the gentleman turned to Lara, his eyes twinkling. "Thank you, dear. It's funny how a kind stranger at the airport can turn into a friend so swiftly." Lara waved them goodbye, her heart full. She hadn't expected her journey would begin with such a meaningful encounter, reminding her that sometimes the most memorable parts of traveling aren't the places we visit, but the people we meet along the way. Hope you enjoyed this story and improved your English a little in the process. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.